Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about quinoa and I have some suggested flavor or food combinations for you. So if you're looking for ideas for something different to do with quinoa, hopefully this will help you out. You can combine quinoa with almond milk, cinnamon, and nuts. It sounds like a breakfast to me. Or quinoa with bell peppers, carrots, parsley, rice vinegar, and sesame oil or sesame seeds. Sounds like a good combo. How about combining quinoa with black beans and cumin? Or quinoa with black beans and mangoes? How about quinoa with cashews and pineapple? That's interesting. Or quinoa with cucumbers, feta cheese, parsley, and tomatoes. It sounds like a salad. How about quinoa with cucumbers, lemon, mint, and parsley? There's another salad. Or quinoa with dill, lemon juice, and zucchini. I do hope this helps to give you some ideas for something a little different to do. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.